Hi everybody, today's focus I am reviewing the Jigoo Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. A little while ago, a representative from Jigoo reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in testing their Jigoo Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. I love testing vacuum cleaners, so I said absolutely. Just a little disclaimer here, Jigoo did mail this to me for free in exchange for this review. However, Jigoo has no editorial control over this video and they will not be seeing the video earlier than my viewers. So they're going to see it today just like you are. So let's see what they mailed me. On the front of the box here it says Jigoo Smart Dual Cup Mite Cleaner. So considering this is a mattress vacuum cleaner, one of the things that they're going to focus on is removing dust and dust mites. Let's open it and see what's inside. Alright, right on the top is this little paper here, and it says botanical fragrance, creating a fresh and pleasant sleeping vibe. And it says sweetheart. Top note is bergamot, hyssop, middle note is water lily, peach, base note is rose sandalwood. Oh, I bet that's going to smell nice. Okay, let's keep going and seeing what else is in here. Let's look at the manual. And I'll read this in more detail off camera. Let's just look at it briefly. They have the important safety instructions, disclaimers, and then the next page it gives you the parts of the vacuum cleaner and the basics for how to use it, just the instructions for use. Okay, that's good. Let's just, let's have a look at it and then we'll go into the instructions. Also on the top here, it looks like they have an extra filter. So I'm going to take off this. And this is the unit itself. And there's nothing else in the box. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the plastic. This is a corded vacuum cleaner, so I do have the cord here and it looks like it's a decent length. And this is the unit itself. Let's go over the instructions for use. It just says to put the Smart Mite Cleaner on the bed, connect to the power supply, press the power switch, and gently push back and forth to clean. Well, that sounds easy enough. I think cleaning mattresses is really important, especially if you want to keep down allergens and dust mites out of the bedroom. If you have a family member who has a dust mite allergy, you're probably already taking a lot of precautions with respect to, decreasing dust mites. We do have a family member with dust mite allergy, so I am rather mindful of cleaning and dusting and removing dust mites. However, vacuuming the mattress, to me, is difficult. Bringing over my big vacuum cleaner, attaching the attachment, it's not a long hose, is a pain. So I'm actually really looking forward to testing this out. Before I actually start cleaning with it, let's go over some of the features. So it is just like a regular vacuum cleaner, has a roller brush with rubber fins here. It has a dust collection cup here, and we'll learn how to maintain this and clean it and everything properly. You have the power button here. And over here is the aroma function. That's what I could smell when I opened it. So basically it looks like you remove this little holder and then you put in this aroma packet. I'm not going to open it right now. And then put the lid back on. It also has a UV lamp here. Now I did read that when it's tilted in a certain degree, the UV lamp will shut off so you don't by accident shine yourself in the eye with it. So that's a good thing. Let's look at the dust cup. So you just kind of pop this here and remove it. So that's going to be the dust cup. Look how nice and clean it is now. We'll see how dirty it gets. Looks like it's a really easy one to clean. Okay. And it does have a filter here. I'll just show you that. Just take that out here. And it came with an extra filter. So that's good. So we'll clean all these later. I just wanted to show you the parts of it before we get started. So let's see how well the Jigoo T600 Smart Mite Cleaner removes dust from my mattresses. I can't believe how much dust just came out of my mattress. Let's talk about how much dirt the Jigoo actually collected from each of the surfaces that I tested. After I cleaned each surface, I collected the dirt and dust and put it in a quart-sized bag so we could compare. Let's look at the dirt and dust collected from my king-size bed. Now this bed is the newest mattress in my home. It's only been used for about a year and a half. I'm absolutely horrified by how much dust the Jigoo T600 was able to suck up. This is absolutely crazy. I had no idea there was this much dirt and dust in my king-sized mattress. Next, I tested my couch, and I just tested my first 2 cushions. Now, this is a tremendous amount of dirt and dust collected. And the thing that really upsets me the most is that I just vacuumed this couch about 2 weeks ago. This is the dirt and dust collected from my guest bedroom. So this bed had a mattress topper. So I did the vacuum cleaner over the mattress topper. I took the mattress topper off and then I did underneath. And this is what was collected. The recliner. Now this is the oldest piece of cushioned furniture that we have in our home. This recliner, I think my husband got in like 1999, so it is very old. It has been vacuumed many times. However, the Jigoo was able to collect a ton of dirt and dust from my recliner. One of my boys' mattress, now this was a full-size bed that had a dust mite cover on it. So what I did was I vacuumed on top of the dust mite cover, I took the dust mite cover off and then vacuumed the mattress, and we were able to pull out the dirt and dust. This makes me really happy to see because he has a dust mite allergy. So I'm really happy to be able to pull this out of his bedding. This is my other son's mattress, which is a full-size foam mattress. I think we got a lot of dirt out of that too. This is fantastic. And this is my other son's mattress. This is a twin-size mattress, and we definitely did collect some dirt and dust from this. This is probably the second newest mattress we have in the home. So I'm absolutely impressed with how much dirt and dust the Jigoo was able to get off of those soft surfaces in my home. So remember, I tested a king-size bed, a couch, a recliner, a full-size bed, a twin-size bed, another full-size bed that's a foam mattress, and another twin mattress. So I was able to test it in lots of different areas in my home, and each time it was able to pull up an awful lot of dirt and dust. But one thing I was curious about was, is it actually collecting dust mites? And that's when I went to the microscope. So dust mites are everywhere, right? They're in everybody's home. But one thing I do want to note is that dust mites usually need a high humidity environment. And I read that dust mites usually need about a 50% humidity to really live and thrive well because they absorb moisture through their body. They don't actually drink it. Okay, now I don't know a ton about dust mites, but this is just what I read. Thank you, Google. So in my home, the most humid room is actually only 30%. So we have a very dry house right now. So it goes from 30% down to about 15%. So I really am not anticipating having a lot of dust mites just because the home itself is not humid. In the summer, I'm thinking like July and August when my home humidity goes way up, I'll probably have a lot more dust mites then. So you saw the footage where I took a sample of dust from the machine and put it under the microscope to see if I could find any dust mites. And I did. It was actually very interesting. I could see some dust mites, I could see dust mite feces, I could see dust mite like legs of like dead dust mites, gross. There was definitely lots of dead skin cells, which is what we would expect to be in dust, and some sand particles and things like that. So it's very interesting for me to see that the debris that was collected from the Jigoo mattress vacuum cleaner actually did collect some dust mites. One of the features of this mattress vacuum cleaner is this dust mite indicator. It's a sensor that senses the amount of dust mites and dust and debris that's on the mattress. So at first I wasn't really certain how this was going to work. I just didn't know. What I noticed was on the surfaces in the mattresses it had a lot of dust and debris collected. So my mattress, the couch, and the recliner started off with very high numbers. And then as more vacuuming happened, the numbers decreased. Also, on the mattresses that didn't have that much dust on them, my son's twin bed that just didn't have a lot, the indicator indicated that. The numbers weren't going up. It stayed at like, 5 or 7, and it didn't go up high to like 50% or 30% at all. So this sensor is sensing how much dust and debris it is picking up. This vacuum cleaner does have 2 separate modes. It wasn't quite clear to me what the 2 modes were, so I just reached out to the representative that I've been speaking with, and they explained to me what the 2 modes were. So when you turn on the vacuum cleaner, it defaults to what's called Smart A mode, and that means it can automatically adjust the suction and padding according to the cleanliness of the bed surface. Fine, so it'll adjust the suction and like the vibration that it does. And there's another mode if you push the mode button again, and it goes to, it's called PAT. And that is a stronger mode, so it's manually controllable for beds and sofas with more dust mites. I did all my testing just on the default smart mode. Another feature that this vacuum cleaner has that I found was interesting was the dual dust cup. So when the dirt comes in, you could see from that shot when I was doing the recliner, the dirt comes in through this filter area here, then goes through the second dust cup over here, and then gets put into the main dust cup. This is very, very easy to clean. Now, it's really important that we clean our vacuum cleaners. I've done other videos on cleaning vacuum cleaners. So it's important that we clean them so that they continue to work properly. And this machine is extremely easy to clean. You saw from the footage, I was able just to rinse everything with water and let it dry. Make sure you do allow every part to dry completely though before you reinstall it into the machine. Another feature is that aromatherapy pod right here. I showed you how to install that and use that. Now, I'm not a huge fan of scented cleaning products. The scent that they mailed me was a very pleasant scent. It wasn't very strong at all. So when I put it in the machine and I turned it on, I used it in my guest bedroom, I didn't really notice a very strong scent. It seemed to be very light and very airy. If you're someone who likes scents, this might be a great feature for you. And if you're someone who doesn't like using scents, you just don't have to put the pod inside the machine, so it won't have any scent at all. Overall, I'm very impressed with the Jigoo T600 Dual Cup Dust Mite Cleaner. I think it did an absolute fantastic job removing dirt and dust from the soft surfaces around my home. It is very easy to use, and it's much easier to use this vacuum cleaner to vacuum a mattress or a couch than it is to use my hose attachment for my vacuum cleaner. That's just a personal preference for me. I think this is way, way easier. The vacuum cleaner itself is, I guess it's considered lightweight, but it's very sturdy. I think on the website it says 5 or 6 pounds, and it was pretty easy for me to lift, put on the mattress, and use it. I did not hurt my shoulder. You all know I've got shoulder injuries, so this is a big thing for me. It did not aggravate my shoulder at all. I used it both left-handed and right-handed according to where I was on the mattress. It was pretty easy to use. I mean, you're just pushing it back and forth. I'm impressed with the amount of dirt and dust that it collected, and I think it's really cool that it did collect dust mites and I was able to see them under my microscope. So thank you, Jigoo, for reaching out to me and asking me to test this mattress vacuum cleaner. I absolutely love its size. I love how well it works. I cannot believe how much dirt and dust it collects. And I think it makes a fantastic addition to the cleaning tools that I use in my home. I will put a link in the description below to Jigoo's site so you can check out the vacuum cleaner for yourself. And if you're interested in purchasing it for yourself, I think Jigoo's going to give me a flash coupon code, and I'll put everything in the description below. So if there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor and put it in the comments section and I will add it to my viewer suggestion list. Or you can mail me something. My mailbox address is in the description below. Just do me a favor and send me an email first. That's also in the description below, so we can have a conversation about the product before sending it to me. It might be something that I have in queue at my home already, so let's have a conversation first. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.